So the main thing we're facing in terms of asset management over the jurisdiction I'm covering is that leasing activity has been getting harder and harder to be done, as we were mentioning in the roundtable you were chairing. And well, on the other side, well, value creation is a little bit easier to get just by selling the asset. Could it be totally leased or not? Even dry sales so basically of empty assets, you can achieve when it's when it has a proper location. So good public transportation, you can achieve really great results. For example, could it be core assets or even some assets, not totally underperforming assets, but some assets where there's a short WALT or you can face a little bit of technical problem. There's a lot of asset managers, investment managers queuing up just to buy this. For example, well, we know there's, as we mentioned, a lot of money is within real estate, could be insurers, sovereign funds, etc., looking for more trophy assets. So when you sell trophy, well, you have a lot of people wanting to buy it. And on the other side of the spectrum, even if you sell some more opportunistic assets within one location, you have also a lot of people, such as American asset management, investment managers, or local opportunistic players, willing to, just to spend that money, and they don't have, they can't buy the products, so they're also queuing up for this. But on the other side, basically, if you have like buildings, could it be pretty good filled up or not in tier 2 location, or far away from public transportation, well, you'll get very unlucky. And that's the main, I think, also main difference between what happened 10 years ago and what's going on today. So asset management is kind of easy within a good location, because either you lease pretty easily or you can sell your asset pretty quickly. And on the other side, on more difficult locations, so that suburban areas where there's low leasing activity, well, you get stuck with your asset, and leasing strategies are very hard to execute, and selling strategy, well, you won't attract the best investor you can meet, basically.